Hey everyone, welcome back to FixMyPhone Labs. Today we're tackling one of the most frustrating issues Samsung users face, the dreaded moisture detected warning that just won't go away, even when your phone is completely dry. You open your phone after a shower, or maybe it got splashed in the rain, and no matter what you do, that alert keeps popping up. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the real 2025 fix that actually works, step by step. First, let's understand what's happening. The moisture detected error appears when the phone senses water or high humidity in the charging port. Even a tiny bit of condensation or leftover moisture can trigger it. Sometimes it's just a sensor glitch, and sometimes there is actual water trapped. But either way, we can fix it safely without damaging your Samsung device. Step 1. Inspect the charging port. Grab a flashlight and check for any visible moisture, lint, or dirt. Even a small particle can prevent the sensor from resetting. If you see debris, use a dry, soft brush or compressed air, but never use a hairdryer or heat, as this can damage the sensor. Step 2. Use the water ejection technique. Go to water-ejecttool.com and play the recommended frequency tone. This helps any tiny amount of water escape the port and speaker chambers safely. Place the phone on a flat surface, charging port facing down, and run the tone for about 30 to 45 seconds. You might notice small droplets coming out. That's normal. Step 3. Dry the phone naturally. Place it upright, charging port down, and leave it in a dry room at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid rice, heat, or direct sunlight. Moisture needs time to evaporate, and this method is safe for your device. Step 4. Reset the moisture sensor. Disconnect the phone from any cables, turn it off for a minute, and then restart it. Open the charging screen and plug in your charger. The error should be gone. If not, repeat the water ejection step and give it more drying time. Finally, test charging. If your Samsung charges normally without any alert, you're all set. If the message persists after 2 or 3 attempts, it could indicate sensor damage or corrosion, and professional repair may be necessary. But in most cases, these steps clear the alert immediately. As a pro tip, every time your Samsung comes into contact with water, even small splashes, run a water ejection tone right away. It prevents long-term sensor errors and keeps your charging port safe. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your Samsung model. Thanks for watching FixMyPhone Labs, and I'll see you in the next repair tutorial.